In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print WhatsApp messages from WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know how to open WhatsApp Web, load the exact messages you want, and print them or save them as a clean PDF, all with a few simple clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the site. If you're on a shared or public computer, make sure you're comfortable proceeding before signing in and avoid enabling options that keep you logged in. Next, you'll scan the QR code to log in with the same account you use on your phone. On your mobile device, open WhatsApp, go to the section for linking devices, and choose the option to link a new one. Point your phone's camera at the QR code shown in your browser and hold steady for a moment. A stable internet connection on both your phone and computer helps this process complete smoothly. Once it's linked, your chats will appear in the browser. Now navigate to the conversation you want to print. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar to quickly find a contact or group. Click the conversation to open it and take a moment to confirm it's the right thread. Before printing, make sure the specific messages you need are fully loaded on the page. WhatsApp Web loads older messages as you scroll up, so keep scrolling until you see the earliest message you want included. Wait for images and other media to finish loading. If something looks like it's still processing, give it a second so it appears correctly in the printout. When everything you need is visible, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This opens the print dialog and preview in your browser. If your keyboard shortcut doesn't work, you can also open the browser menu and choose Print. In the print preview, change the destination to your printer if you're making a physical copy, or choose Save as PDF for a digital copy. Review the preview carefully. Adjust the layout to portrait or landscape, tweak margins or scale if text looks cut off, and select specific pages if you don't need the entire chat window. In many browsers, the More settings area lets you turn on background graphics, which can help preserve chat bubbles and timestamps. When it looks right, click Print or click Save, and choose a clear file name and folder for your PDF. That's it. You've printed your WhatsApp messages from WhatsApp Web. As a final tip, if you're using a shared computer, remember to log out of WhatsApp Web when you're done.